Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, today video we will talk about the top 5 best hard drive data recovery services. So first of all, we discuss what is our data recovery services. What is a data recovery services? Hard drive recovery services is a company that specializes in the recovery of lost, damaged, or corrupted data. Many data recovery companies offer recoveries or software that can be used remotely, but their primary function is to physically repair and salvage the data from affected storage media. They may offer data recovery software in RAP recovery performed in a clean room environment, RAID and server recovery. Why use our data recovery services? There are many reasons that you may need to use our data recovery services. Data recovery software can also restore data from devices that can still be logically accessed by the operating system. Our data recovery services can perform hard drive recoveries on media that are physically damaged and is not able to be repaired with software alone. And some of the issues that can result in engaging or data recovery services includes a human error. As with other types of data loss, physical damage is often caused by the human error. Dropping a laptop or a remarkable hard drive can damage the device and make it unreadable. Hardware failure. Our time disk drive experience wear and tears that may eventually lead to their total failure. You may be alerted to impending failure by strange grinding or clicking noises coming from the drive. Film wave where corruption. A corrupt file film wave update can cause a hard drive to become unreadable. Environmental issue. Hard drives and storage media usually do not enjoy too much heat or humidity. Getting them wet or exposing them to excessive heat or sunlight can render the drive unusable and force you to use our data recovery services to access the information on them. Power surges. A power spike can result in damage to a hard drive, the right heads on the device, onboard electronics. If you have had these kinds of issues, you may need to make use of disk recovery services. Here are some tips to help you find a good recovery services. So the best recovery services. Here is an overview of some quality data recovery services. We hope it helps you choose the best hard drive recovery services for you for your situations. So salvage data. Salvage data has been providing quality data recovery services for over 15 years using technically advanced proprietary hardware and software solutions. Range of services. Data recovery and salvage on all types of digital storage devices. Second is the type recovery. Third is the RAID and on-site recovery. 4 is the memory card recovery. 5 is the certifications. Certified ISO 14644 1 class from clean room. 5 clean room. ISO 9001 quality certified. SOC 3 security certificate. GSA government contractor. Overview. Salvage data confidence in its recovery capabilities led them to introduce the now industry-wide practice of not Charging for failed recoveries in 2003, the company's goal is to constantly advise better recovery methods and tools. This strives to exceed the industry standard for security and media handling protocols and engage in regular external to maintain compliances. Experts technicians can get back data from the damaged SSD and hard drive and virtually any other types of storage device. Data can be returned to users via new storage devices or downloads based on the volume of recovered information. In cases where recovery is impossible, the devices will be secretly destroyed or can be returned to the client if desired. Location: the company is headquartered in Cleveland, Ohio, and has over 50 local receiving and reviewing centers throughout with North America. Pricing: free estimate and no charge to field recoveries. Support: free in-depth recovery evaluations, 24/7 emergency recovery option, 96% success rate. Aki data recovery. Aki provided a full range of data recovery services that can help customers save data from damage or corruptions. Storage media range of services. Aki recovers data from all types of storage device, including RAID alerts, SSDs, drives, hard drives, and tape media. Tape duplication services on all types of grant or obscure technology. Computer services towards the certification. Class 11 clean rooms that are very close to being class 10 equivalent during production. Microsoft registered partner with extensive experience performing Microsoft Exchange. Overview: Aki provides its customer with excellent recovery results through the use of their advanced technical expertise. They have a dedicated research and development team that creates leading edge data recovery software, hardware, and recovery tools. Their technology can recover data from failed SSD with damaged metadata and assess restricted. So guys, this is the video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then must subscribe my YouTube channel.